I finished knitting this back for a cardigan, so now I have to cast off all the stitches to secure them in place so they don't unravel. This is just basic stocking stitch. So first of all, you knit one stitch, then you knit another stitch, and then you take the first stitch and you pull it over the second stitch, and that secures that loop or stitch. Then you do it again, then you take the one behind it to go over it, another one, take the one behind over the one in front, and you can see that is securing all the loops. So basically you just keep doing this till the end of the row, and then at the end of the row you have to secure the last loop or else it will all unravel. We're now down to the last stitch, so what we have to do now is just make the loop big enough, and now you put the ball through. You can cut your wool and then put the remaining wool through the loop. Right. Once I can find it again, you just pull it, and you can see that how it secures that loop. And that's all the stitches casted off. You just need to leave a length so you can sew everything together.